you guys with the white lace to repeat after me, okay? This is very simple. Here we go. Ready? I. I've heard more enthusiasm out of dead people. All right, we're going to try that one more time. Ready? Here we go. I. Can I get a little applause out there, people? State your name.
State your name.
Promise to be a good parrot head. Promise to help save the manatees. Promise to help clean the beaches. This is the very most important part right here. I promise to volunteer when called upon. I promise to give Shane $1. And I promise to go out there and meet some of the craziest, greatest people in the world.
And I promise you, if you do go out there and you meet your family and friends for life, get involved, volunteer when called upon, you will meet some of the best people in the world. Okay? So we're laying them in color, and now we're doing sex on the beach. Hold on to your glass.
Thank you. Hold on. Am I doing it right? Got your abs or glass? Oh, my glass, not my ass. I'm sorry.
It's a shame that Terry can't hear. Get your hands off her ass.
My fingers never left my body. Or hers. Your part.
Here's in the house. Recorded.
Right. Okay, so turn around and look at me for a minute. Okay, so how we honor, so just, you don't know who I am, I'm Dorothy, I'm the lovely lady, a.k.a. president of Tampa Bay Parrot Heads. I do work hard for my money, which is $0 a year. I wish I could make a living at it. So what we do is, I'm going to say, get them up, get them up, get them up, in Tampa Bay Parrot Heads in the honor of our new members. What time is it? And everybody's going to shout. It's time for a tea break. Okay? So turn around and look at everybody. Ready? Get them up, get them up, get them up, get them up. Tampa Bay Parrot Heads in honor of our new members. What time is it? It's time for a tea break. Woo!
Funny.
Great. It's 2-2 now.
Thanks, Shane.
All right, kids, it is now time for you guys to get into a large semicircle.